Hi, my name's Rabi. I'm a curl specialist at Absa Beauty Lady Salon, and I'm here to tell you about Fehmale, the amazing product. This model has curly and super curly hair in certain sections. I'm going to start by clarifying with the Fehmale clarifying shampoo, conditioner, and then we'll be styling with a curl cream. So now we're using the clarifying shampoo to cleanse the hair. Clarifies the hair without removing any of the natural oil. It's filled with amino acids to strengthen your hair bonds, as well as rice protein to improve hair elasticity. Further, peppermint is part of the formula that will stimulate your blood circulation that promotes hair growth. The clarifying shampoo is only supposed to be used once or twice a month, but Fehmale has formulated a moisturizing shampoo that can be used weekly. Now I'm using the Fehmale conditioner just to bring back the moisture in the hair. The macadamia and babasu oils deeply strengthens the hair strands, and the olive succulent smoothens the hair cuticle and improves texture, making your curls feel softer and silky. So I did notice that the Fehmale conditioner is a lot creamier, it's lighter, and it detangles the hair immediately. Like once you've done the clarifying shampoo and you put the conditioner on, the hair gets softer really quickly. So now we're going to start with Fehmale lightweight curl cream. What you need to remember is through the whole styling process is make sure that the hair is hydrated with water all the time. Make sure your sections are neat, and it doesn't have to be too thick, not too thin. And you can either use finger coiling method or you can use a brush to help style. The lightweight curl cream is a curl defining and frizz-free styler that is designed to nourish your hair without feeling heavy. With its hydrogenated castor oil, you get long-lasting softness and frizz control. The carrageenan, which is extracted from seaweed, will bind water into your hair to give definition and hydration.